Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We will presentation about our project. The name is Peduli Vaksin. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce ourselves. First, my name is Azam Zaidanur and my friend
Zakira Septialisa.
And now Zakira Septialisa will presentation first. And let's go. Next.
Okay, before we start, I will explain about talk about introduction Peduli Vaksin, second activity list in Peduli Vaksin, third activity list admin in Peduli Vaksin, fourth how to use the Peduli Vaksin application, and next database design. What is Peduli Vaksin? Peduli Vaksin is a health application was founded on December 21, 2021 by Azam Zaidanur and Zakira Septialisa. Peduli Vaksin is an application developed to stop the transmission of coronavirus disease or COVID-19, relying on public awareness and participants to take care of each other and minimize the risk of spreading COVID-19. This is shown to carry out surveillance of crowded locations that have a high risk, which will later be useful in tracing the history of COVID-19 or contact tracing. The application will identify the user's contact history or COVID-19 case status as well as their vaccination status. This is done to support the program to stop the spread of COVID-19, which is being worked on by the government. Next, there is an activity list user such as a registration page, login page, dashboard, and registration form vaccine page. I will explanation about the registration page first. In registration page is used if the user from Peduli Vaksin doesn't have an account yet, so the user can create an account first on this page. Next, login page. The login page is used to enter the Peduli Vaksin application using the account that was created on the registration page. Next, dashboard. Dashboard here is the main display in the Peduli Vaksin application. Next, there is registration form vaccine page. In the registration form vaccine page, user can register themselves for vaccines by filling in their nick, full name, date of birth, vaccine date, and address. Next, there is an activity list admin. There are login page, dashboard, view hospital list, view vaccine list, hospital data form modify. First, I will explain about login page. Same as login page user, admin must also login to the Peduli Vaksin application with username admin and the password is admin2. Next, dashboard. Different from the user dashboard, this is the admin dashboard. There are view hospital list, view vaccine list, and at hospital. Next, view hospital list. In the hospital list page, the admin can see which hospitals provide a place for vaccines. Next, there is a view vaccine list. On the vaccine list page, the admin can see anyone who has been vaccinated. On this page, displays the vaccine certificate. Next, hospital data form. In this hospital data form, after the admin clicks on at hospital page, this application will display a hospital data form to fill in hospital data, which will later be added to the hospital list page view. Next, a hospital data form modify. In the hospital data form modify page, the admin can update and delete hospitals, which will later appear on the hospital list page. Next.
Next, I will explain about the flow of our application. I will share screen. This is the application. The name is Peduli Vaksin. Before we input the email and password, we must do registration first. We click the register now and input your name and your email. Your password 123 and the confirmation password 123 and click the register button. Okay. Now there is two types of the user. The first is admin user and the second is regular user. Now we input the regular user. azam@gmail.com and the password is 123. Now login successfully, and we can see in this dashboard there is the hospital. If we click the hospital, the page of registration vaccine will appear. Now you must to input your NIC key, nomor induk, and your full name, your birthday, and your vaccine date. Your address, and the name of hospital. This is automatically appear in this form. And click the daftar sekarang, registration now. And we can see the certificate at the admin page. Now we will log in with the admin user. The username is admin and the password is admin. Now login. We can see the vaccine list in this button. Azam Z. Danur and NIC and the date of vaccine. Back. In first button, there is view hospital list. In this page, we can update and delete the hospital like this. RS Jayapura. We can update data. Like this. Update data. The data will automatically update in this page. Now we can delete the data like this. You can see now the RS Jayapura have deleted. And now we can add new hospital in this button. First, input the name, the location, and status. Input the data. We can see the list of hospital in this button. Now, RS Jayapura appear in this page. Okay. There is the logout button. Okay. Now we talk about the database system. The first is the hospital table. There is ID, name of hospital, location, and status. And next is ID, name of user, email of user, and the password. And the last, is the vaccine list table. First is ID, second is nick and name and birthday, and the date of vaccine. This is the primary key. The ID is primary key of all the table in our database.